Oh my God. I don't feel good today. I can't eat. I'm just gonna take the tube. Just be on the tube all day. I want to do some magic. With Lisa, I'm gonna go downstairs. She's decorating the house right now. I don't know. I just want to do some fun. I feel like shit. I mean, I threw up everything I ate. Anything possible, any liquid, done. Doesn't matter, just doesn't matter. Anyways, let's go downstairs. Let me pack this thing up and put it on. We'll go see her. Go bug her. Okay. Go down. And see what she's doing. It's a pretty good trick. It's amazing. Whoa. I'm gonna fall down the steps. I'm gonna knock myself out and see what she's doing. Hey Lisa. There you are. Right there. I got a magic trick.
Yeah.
The one that you've seen. I want to do that one. I perform it for you. When you get a chance.
Okay.
In between, okay? And come on up.
Okay.
Okay. She's gonna come on up. Okay, Lisa. Thanks for joining us. Joining us. I got a magic trick on this paper. I'm gonna write 3 numbers, and you're gonna tell me the 3 numbers, and I'm gonna have the numbers already written down. Pretty much mind control. I've been doing this all night. Last night I was doing this all night, just this mind control thing.
Great.
Like I was having you turn and snore at a certain time. It was working, so I'm like, I'm gonna go with this.
Great, thanks. By the way,
write this down.
He only picks these times when I'm cleaning and getting ready for Christmas to videotape me. So I've got the oil of old lady on today, Jesus. And he told me I was sweaty.
I'm sorry. All right, give me a number. 3 numbers.
3 numbers. Between what and what?
Just
1 and
through
10?
9. Yeah, 1 through 0.
Okay. 3.
Okay.
9.
Okay.
6.
6.
7.
No, which one is it? Because it's...
7.
Is it 7?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
I did that. I surprised I didn't wake you up last night because I was doing
Wow.
that.
Oh, okay.
What'd you say now?
3, 9, 7.
Okay. What was that side?
397.
Is that pretty scary?
Yeah.
Do you think I'm worshiping the devil now?
Good thing you already know my bank account pin.
All right. That's the end of that magic trick. I thought it was a good trick. I want to do that with Ron and Joanne because my father would be like, do I need to spit on it? Do I need to spit on it? All right, everyone. Have a good day.